7th place is taken by the Dota 2 game. Dota 2 game has been spending millions of dollars by the Valve company for its multiplayer mode game. It is rewarded with the title of production quality, rewarding gameplay and faithfulness to its predecessors. Dota 2 has some sports scene, with world players playing across the globe in various tournaments and leagues. The genre of the game is MOBA. The developer of Dota 2 is Valve Corporation. It was released on July 9, 2013. Dota 2 has also been used in machine learning experiments with a team of bots known as the OpenAI Vive, showing the capability to defeat professional players. It has 5 billion and more online players, and so it is one of the most played games. Number 6 in the list is Minecraft. Minecraft game has been popular with every coming game. This game has several modes, and with that users have to survive and build its campus and have total authority to take upon animal buildings, people and food. Its several modes have survival mode, adventure mode, creative mode and spectator mode. The genres are sandbox and survival. The developer of the game is Mojang Studios. It was first released on 18 November 2011. Minecraft has been critically acclaimed, winning several awards and being cited as one of the greatest and most influential video games of all time, being inducted into the World Video Game Hall of Fame in June 2020. It includes 91 million online players. Number 5th in the list is Hearthstone. This game is in total contrast to the other games on the list. Hearthstone was a small project of Blizzard Entertainment for an experiment purpose, but it got the hits and now being played on the recent occasion. This game is of collecting card decks from different houses and different powers. Each of the cards is used to lower the opponent's health and life to win the game. The genre is digital collective card game. The directors of Hearthstone are Ben Brode, Jason Chase, and Eric Dodds. The developer is Blizzard Entertainment. It was released on March 11, 2014. As of November 2018, Blizzard has reported more than 100 million Hearthstone players. The game has become popular as an esport, with cash prize tournaments hosted by Blizzard and other organizers. 4th place is taken by the Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike is a game of terrorists and counter-terrorist attacks, where players have to defuse and plant the bombs, accomplish missions, securing locations, kills the terrorists, and guarding the hostages shown on the map. It's a multiplayer shooter game. The genre is first-person shooter. The developers are Valve Corporation, Turtle Rock Studios, Hidden Paths Entertainment, and Nexon. The first release was on November 9, 2000. Counter-Strike is one of the most rated games with 32 million online players. Counter-Strike is considered one of the most influential first-person shooters in history. That's amazing. The series has a large competitive community and has become synonymous with the first-person shooters. Here appears the League of Legends at number 3. League of Legends is almost 10 years old, and yet it remains a favorite among its players because of its spectacular mode scene and the enthusiasm that it creates. It is a multiplayer battle arena game that features an ever-increasing roster of unique champions. It allows a player to control his own champion and pit it against other champions. The genre of the game is MOBA. The directors of League of Legends are Andre Van Roon, Steven Snow and Travis George. The developer of the game is Riot Games, and the first release was on October 27, 2009. This game has more than 100 million active players and between 7 million and 8 million concurrent players. Number 2 in the list is PUBG. Very famous as it is, PUBG, that is PlayerUnknown's Battleground, appears at second position. It is a multiplayer game in which the player and 99 other real-time players are taken to a remote, abandoned island. The goal for each player is to eradicate the competition using any method necessary and be the last person standing. The genre of PUBG is Battle Royale. The directors are Brendan Green and Jang Tae-seok. The developer is PUBG Corporation. The first release was on December 20, 2017. Battlegrounds is one of the best-selling and most played video games of all time. Haha, we all know that. The game had sold over 70 million copies by 2020, with PUBG Mobile having been downloaded over 600 million times. Here comes number 1, that is Fortnite Battle Royale. Fortnite Battle Royale is possibly the most popular in the gaming world, with about 5 million concurrent players. Fortnite is an online video game developed by Epic Games. It is available in 3 distinct game mode versions that otherwise share the same general gameplay and game engine. It is a free-to-play strategic action game of survival that pits 100 players against each other. The genres of the game are survival, battle royale, and sandbox. The developer, as said earlier, is Epic Games. It was first released on July 25, 2017. Fortnite Battle Royale in particular became an resounding success, drawing in more than 125 million players in less than a year, earning hundreds of millions of dollars per month and becoming a cultural phenomenon.